Indian Armed Forces have neutralized air defense system at Lahore as Pakistan continue to violate ceasefire along line of control and international border, targeting civilians with mortar and artillery. Informing about the development in the aftermath of Operation Sindoor, Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri, Wing Commander Vyomika Singh and Colonel Sophia Qureshi addressed the nation in New Delhi today. Speaking in the press briefing, Wing Commander Vyomika said Pakistan has increased the intensity of its unprovoked firing across the line of control using mortars and heavy caliber artillery in areas in Kupwara, Baramulla, Uri, Poonch, Mendhar and Rajouri sectors in Jammu and Kashmir. 16 innocent lives have been lost, including 3 women and 5 children due to Pakistani firing. India was compelled to respond to mortar and artillery fire from Pakistan. Indian Armed Forces reiterate their commitment to non-escalation provided it is respected by the Pakistani military. On the other hand, Colonel Sophia Qureshi also informed that this morning, the Indian Armed Forces targeted air defense radars and systems at a number of locations in Pakistan. Indian response has been in the same domain with same intensity as Pakistan. It has been reliably learnt that an air defense system at Lahore has been neutralized. She also informed that on the night of May 7th, Pakistan attempted to engage a number of military targets in northern and western India, including Awantipura, Srinagar, Jammu, Pathankot, Amritsar, Kapurthala, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Adampur, Bhatinda, Chandigarh, Nal, Falodi, Uttarlai and Bhuj using drones and missiles. These were neutralized by the integrated counter-UAS grid and air defense systems. The debris of these attacks is now being recovered from a number of locations that prove the Pakistani attacks.
Pakistan increased the intensity of its unprovoked firing across the line of control using mortar and heavy caliber artillery in areas in Kupwara, Baramulla, Uri, Poonch, Mendhar and Rajouri sectors in Jammu and Kashmir. 16 innocent lives have been lost, including 3 women and 5 children due to the Pakistani firing. Here too, India was compelled to respond to bring mortar and artillery fire from Pakistan to a halt. Indian Armed Forces reiterate their commitment to non-escalation provided it is respected by the Pakistan military. Indian response has been in the same domain with the same intensity as Pakistan. It has been reliably learnt that an air defense system at Lahore has been neutralized.